let me take you around and show you some of the subtle custom touches that we've done to it. So starting with the bed sides, this is normally just a curled up hollow end that looks fairly unfinished. So we capped it off and TIG welded a piece of metal on there, and now it gives it a more finished look. We've installed these really nice tailgate latches that are on the inside of the tailgate. You just reach up here, spring loaded, like that. So we've got them integrated right into the tailgate, spring-loaded latches like that, along with our nylon strap. The rear bumper. Typically the factory bumper brackets drop down, and in the case of this lowered truck, we couldn't have the bumper down here where it would have been, so we modified the bumper brackets to have them come straight out the back, and then we've got the bumper more at a proper height here. So the bumper is up much higher and it lines up with this line underneath the tailgate here. We also took the license plate, which is typically out here, and tucked it in right underneath the tailgate for a more sanitary look. These old pickup trucks had the gas tanks inside the passenger compartment right behind the back seat. Not the best for safety, so we've moved it back to the back behind the axle, and we've got a filler cap right here. We've also mini-tubbed it to fit the really wide 335 series BFG Rival S tires. So we welded in a piece of metal here, butt welded it in, and that gives us a little extra room for the fat rubber. We also had to trim the bed a little bit and the stainless strip to accommodate that. The other thing is, typically the old trucks had a bed made out of wood, which we do here. However, this is hand finished polyurethane coated oak, and we did a little stain on it to enhance the grain structure. And then we've got stainless bed strips instead of painted steel ones, which would get scratched if you ever put anything in here. So the stainless is more durable, stays shiny. On these old pickup trucks, they had stake holes along the side of the bed sides, and that was to put stakes in here as high as you wanted so they could haul more junk in the back. We've made metal plates that welded into those areas and then smoothed it all out for a nice clean look, because we're not going to be hauling lots of things in this one. The final icing on the cake for the exterior modifications are these one-of-a-kind CNC machined from billet aluminum Raybestos Emblems in the antique style logo, which is what would have been used back in this day. We spent several days programming this and cutting these on a CNC machine, but they came out incredible, and they're three-dimensional. Pretty cool stuff.